Fresh out the shower, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna try some hair oil from Papa's Apothecary that they so generously sent to me in the mail. I have 3 options. I think vanilla and grapefruit is gonna be my go-to today. I love using hair oil. I usually apply it to damp hair before I blow dry, or even if I'm just letting it air dry, which I'm gonna do today. And then I also apply it once it's dry, just to help add a little bit of shine in. Fight frizz. So let's see how this does. You usually don't need much. I think I'll just do like a dime size amount, and then you kind of just work it in your hands. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I actually saw someone on Instagram say that you're supposed to rub hair oil like into your hands like this and then work it through to avoid it being like more concentrated in any area. So I've been doing that for my clients, so I think I should do it for me too. Overall, first impressions, it smells amazing. It feels like it has good coverage, and we'll just have to see how my hair does when it's dry. Okay, it's day 2. I love how my waves are looking. Full disclosure, I did also put a little curl cream in my hair. I feel like my hair looks really nice and feels really soft. Like actually really soft. Nice lot of texture. So to finish off my look today, I'm just gonna do a little bit more of the same vanilla and grapefruit. I do this normally just putting like a little extra hair oil through the ends, just to add a little bit more softness and help control the frizzies. And this stuff seriously smells so good. The vanilla and grapefruit, like it's a unique scent combo, and I'm here for it. I think I'm gonna go with the side part today. We love body. Ready for the day.